Yes, my father is here now. He's here now. Hi, Mike. Well, hello, so how's your father now? My father is at home now. He's at home now. Tell me where did it start? Guess it's breaking. Hi, John. How's your head? Oh, it looks good. Yeah, my head is good now. No more headache. Just a little, but not that more. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, that's awesome. I'm sorry. Has better and home. Thanks God. Yeah. Thank you so much. Ano lumiyad ito?
Kumain mo na.
Hello, first channel. Sorry, first channel. Hi. Oh, that's awesome. I'm so happy it's better and thank God. Thank you. Thank you so much. First channel Lima. Hi. Where are you from?
Ay, nakitigo mo siya pero ako nakapagpapulot mo na.
Start, cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Sounds it's raining really hard. Yeah, raining here. raining. Raining really hard. Heavy rain. Heavy rain here. Thank you so much for watching. So hot here. Can you can you share the hotness from from Australia? Rainy here. You have sick ones there. Yeah, my father is sick here. Daniel Potter. My father is so sick. He's home from hospital. Just today. Oh, it's very hot. Very hot. Here, raining here. John is living in Australia. Thank you so much. Thank you for the live. Stormy where you would start, cause it's breaking my heart. Yes, I was just before Christmas. It is so hot. Ah, wow, that's good. Next 4 days, 40 degrees. Wow. 40 degrees. I hope he feels better. Yeah, we hope he feel better. He will feel better. From Turkey. Hi, Shihan. Sihan from Turkey. Thank you for watching. 19 people in the house. Thanks a lot. Yes, I'm in time. So why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will come back someday. So the children should be back in school, yeah. The children at the school today. They are in the school today. Even if it's raining. Hi, Big Lon. Hello, Cheryl. Thank you, Big Lon. How are you? Thank you, 21 people in the house. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe Yankee Ward, I'm on guard. Okay. Yankee Ward, you're on guard. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only I'm staying at hotel next 4 days to escape the heat. Oh, wow. Ano rin? Hindi ko alam. Thank you, Big Lon. Thank you so much. Martin. Maganda dalaga ikaw. What it means, Martin Arina. I seem much happier now. I have not seen you in a while myself. Ramon Pardo. Hi. Churimi. Don't forget to double tap your screen and subscribe to me. Thank you so much, Big Lon. Have a great day. I was stopping and passing through. Thank you, Sir Daniel Potter. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. My God. Thank you, Big Lon. The Big Lon. 36 people in the house. Thanks. Someday, only heaven knows. I love you, cuz it's Giovanni.
Malinaw.
45 people in the house. Thanks a lot.
Hindi ko man hindi rin nangangay sa mga ko. Hindi ko nga mo. Hindi rin ko nga dahil ako nag-grado ah. Hindi ko nga dahil para isang ano, ano labing niya. Ano labing niya?
Din mo nakuha. Din mo nakuha. Ah.
Ano labing niya? Makapalo na yun. Ano labing niya?
Grabe yan. Thank you for the likes.
So, pag niya mo naman, baka nyo naman kung natalamin. Hindi ko nun, ramen mo muna.
It's alright. Thank you for the likes. Oh my god, 31 people in the house. Thank you so much. It's do you remember crashing the other night while you stream going? The crashing? Crashing? I forgot. I forgot the
Parang nasa ganyan mo.
crashing.
Narito sa ano?
I forgot the crashing.
Ano
It's alright.
Ano tayo ng game mo din sa
Thank you so much.
patay na. Narito na si Log.
27 people.
Tingnan diretso. Kasi yung nagtako. Ang nagtako baga. Nagtako baga ng bay ng tayo mo. Wala ito. Ito. Sige. Pero pamalitan niya dito din ang regati. Ano tayo ng pagkain magkati. Meron naman ang pangalan.
Sinking way too deep, feel like flying. Feeling, feeling that I'm not afraid. You're good to give my strength, 'cause you're good at making me. I feel like rushing.
Tawagin naman na.
Not cold coffee. Cold coffee.
Tawagin. Tawagin.
Thank you so much. Kasi, hey, oh my God po. Yeah. I need to refill. Naipon dito ang rasyon, ha? Naipon ang rasyon.
Naipon na aga ba? Hindi man si Papa pwede maggasat pa.
Ah. So, I remember it was pretty cold. Ah, pretty cold. Really? I forgot.
Ayos lang, ha?
So, like, it's something. You need to move. If you feel cold, you need to move your body.
Tawagin naman.
Matulog naman na para makapamunay mo naman. Aray. Hindi pa nagkaroon ng bantay. Nagruluyan na. Tawali na. May dilata dito sa ano lang.
Luya na ako sa mga bukula.
Kaya nga. Ang sarap kung nasisigan. Okay na.
Pinito.
Thank you po. Thank you so much. It's alright. How often you guys get together and dance and exercise in the early morning? Zumba. The Zumba. I do Zumba yesterday. Oh, yes, yesterday morning. Every Sunday in the morning, we're doing Zumba here. I'm doing Zumba. My exercise. Yeah, need exercise because like we're not too young. We're getting old. It's alright. That was really cool to see. Matagal na kitang tagal na kong nagtitig. Ngunit mayroon ka na ibang minamahal. Kung kaya't ako'y daigin mo pinagpansin. Ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Hindi ko ibig sa'yo kahit kung sakali iwanan ka na, huwag kang mag-aalala. Ako'y nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ko. Nandito ko, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na ang puso dadadan. Kung sakali iwanan ko na. Maliki. Ang payat mo. Opo. Payat. Oh, halata ba? Sakali. 46 people in the house. Thank you so much. My God. Thank you. Ramona Cotto. Sing girl. Sing. Sing a song. Kung sakali iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-aalala. May nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako. Nandito ako. Singing is it's good for the spirit. Yeah. And subscription na ba? Umiibig sa'yo kahit na nagturo ang puso. Kung sakali the spirit feds the song. Hi Mark! Tapos pabati naman po dito live na tayo sa Kapamilya Channel. Soul TV channel. Mark! Hoy, bisitahan din! Kung sakali iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-aalala. May nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ka. Nandito ka. umiibig sa'yo. Best part, best is all, yeah. Thank you. Yes! Kung sakali man ng ganyan, huwag kang mag-aalala. May nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ka. Nandito ka, umiibig sa'yo. Nakakatawa eh. Kahit na nagturugo ang puso, kung sakali kung sakaling ng ganyan, huwag kang mag-aalala. Ngunit mamahal sa'yo, nandito ka. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Kung umiibig sa'yo, kahit na turugong puso, kung sakali buwan ng ganyan, huwag kang mag-alala. Nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ka. Thank you so much, Biglan. All the things I would do. Hi, William. Sing it loud, Scott. Thank you so much. Hello, Paul. Paul, 1968. Ang puso ko nito'y parang sa'yo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo. Nano pa eh? Mano ka? Mano ka? Yeah! Ito ka lang, kay makaon nito. Kay. Bem? Bem? Panano, in ko na siya bulungain, ang bulong niya. Ang bulong? Bulong na. Ano naman mo pa? Wait lang. Nana, inuman mo na sige. Nakulog? Nakulog na. Nakulog. Nagkukulog ko na ang sige. Ano nang pangalan? Fred Jabalin? Saro lang? Wait. Ayan. Pwede na. Bigla hindi ako nag-happy. Kaya nakita ko. Punta. Ulit na. Ay! Hi, Dada! Ano yung ano? Kahapon ba siya, nabayaan na, kaya tabi na may layog kanina, wala na wala nang gagsin. Wala, kaya makahalo agad. Kaya ang dala, para kulong siya. Wala rin, malakot ka. Thank you so much. Good night. Good night. Feet over. Feet over. Thank you for the likes. Musta ka, Tay? Yan na? Para ako ka magkabigay na ano ba man ang sili. Para ay masama ko. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lenny Blasmo. You're probably looking for a answer. No. No. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for future notification. Thank you, Yankee Ward. Thank you.
Mati mo, kaya maginamit ko ang ganyan.
Hambot kumain na. Nakadam. Sige. Thank you, Yankee Ward. Thank you so much. Greetings from Germany, Europe. Lenny Blaze from Germany, Europe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for someone who's sending the hugs. The likes. The heart, my God. Thank you so much. 22 people here now. You make the hearts dance, yeah. Gaston, Luis, Argentina, Luis. Ano ang pinagpapainom? Hi Rick. Hi Rick. Thank you for joining. My father here now. You will see. Say hi. He wants to go to sleep. Thank you so much for joining. Wow, he looks a lot better, yeah. He looks a lot better now than before. He looks better now. Hi, Ezra. Thank you, Ezra. Hindi ko mabubuo kung di kita kasama. Sana'y natin. I need to dance because raining here. I need to move the body. It's raining very hard when it's snowing and frosty where I am. Yeah, raining here. Tell her dad hello for me from America. Yeah, but he's sleeping now. I think dad is with a camera, but he looks so much better now. Yeah, he looks so much better now. Thank you guys for your prayers for the house. It helps, you know. Good afternoon, beautiful fitness hot. Yeah. Hi.
Inom siya.
Oo. Tulog ko na si Kenya. Ngayon, ganyan sabi na, Leslie, ka gano'n. Hindi mo nang palalaw ng tulog.
Ay!
It's snowing here in Pampanga. It's snowing. It's snowing. We never experienced snow here in the Philippines. Thank you so much, guys. Kevin McConnell. Hello. McConnell. Thank you for the live. Thank you so subscribe and hit the bell for future notification. Thank you, Yankee Ward, Kevin Connell. Hello from Lowe's, USA. Hi, bud. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to my channel, my life. Hi, Ray Miller. Welcome back. You are a girl long time, Ray. I drink coffee and back to sleep because it's only 7 in the morning here. Okay, you need to go back. Take your time, rest. Helps well. Hi, thank you so much. And I only went to bed 4 hours ago. Okay. Unfortunately, how to sleep a bit. Do you want here? Huh? Oh my god. Good afternoon, Steven. Sir Steven. Good afternoon, Pauline. I mean, I need to get some sleep. Ah, okay. Yeah, yeah. Take your time, Sir Lane. Take your time. Sleep well. Thank you. Thank you for joining. I hope you're having a nice day. Yeah, having a nice day, Sir Steven. Marathon. Thank you. 36 people. Thank you, guys. Sexy girl. Like you're looking beautiful as always, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Steven. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for future notification. Thank you, Yankee. Dance James. Bakit? Mahal agad. Mahal agad. Agad-agad. Mhm. Thank you for the 7 people. What it means, Kevin? McConnell. Still hot and beautiful. Thank you for the likes. Which part in the Philippines? You? I'm living in the Bicol province, Philippines. Yeah, living in Bicol province, Philippines. Sirland, Spain. Because you talk so much. Sir Fred, thank you, Sir Fred. I'm joking. I know. Sir Fred, how are you, Sir Fred? Okay, I go to Tagum and Davao soon, Sean. Okay, Sir Lance. Welcome to the Philippines. Welcome. Hey, Fred. Sir Fred, how are you, Cheryl? I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm good now. I'm good. Balon ka dyan. Oh, Tom, I guess her. Yeah, Mike is her now. It's been a long time. Well, I love the vlog. How old are you? 40. 40 years old. I'm 40. Very better. Thank you, Tava McNeil. Do you want to go shopping tomorrow? I want. Of course, I want shopping. I love shopping. I saw how rice was harvested in the Philippines. Pretty good. Yeah, I know how to harvest rice. I know how to harvest. I want coffee. Just a young chick at 40. Oh, thank you. I'm turning 41. Starting 41. Getting old. What? woman don't like shopping. I like shopping. That was pretty interesting. 40, oh my god, so great. You seems like a great woman. Ah, great woman. Oh my god. You stole a baby. You liar. You told me a lie. Hi. Hi, Jerome. I meant to tell you. Turning 41 next month. Advance. Advance happy birthday to me. Buy me lots of hot dog. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. No, not Hot Wheels here in the Philippines. No Hot Wheels here. Yeah, no Hot Wheels here. Oh my god, Fred, how are you doing with not smoking so far? Done. Buy me lots of oh my god. What Hot Wheels? God, you got a clean body. Really? What? Really body? Match packs. Oh, match packs. It's going, no, it's not easy. Yeah. It's not so easy. Ha? Ha? Good afternoon, Donnie. Hi, Donnie. Oh my God, Donnie. They all going Zambaya.
Anong binangan mo kami? Sobrang da.
Sabi mo, lutoon pa.
I forgot where are you from, Donnie.
Oh,
Where are you from, Donnie? Sorry. I forgot. USA. How old are you, Kevin? Yes, Kevin, how old are you? Where are you from, Kevin? Kevin is from USA, sorry. Fred, Sam's not smoking, I guess. No, you and Ian are going to try to scam me for a lot more beer. Oh my God. Donnie, from USA. You're from USA, Donnie. 65 years old.
Moran.
Disney Channel. Disney Channel. No need to scam you. Send anyway. No need to scam. Send anyway. My God. You're right, Fred. Oh my God. Why?
Hindi siya ulit ang karne ng
Oh, diri nga sa isa.
talaga man kaya. Hindi yung
United States of America. Okay, I know. USA, United States of America. Thank you, 29 people. And 27 likes. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Mike.
Solo nagpapampero ko naman.
Madura. I want to hear your voice.
Ano mga ka-report?
I'm always talking. I talk a lot here. Good catch, Fred. Good catch.
Randy ka kaya father mo na. Nakakatay.
Mapinito niya na.
Randy ka muna kaya father. Ano ka lang muna.
Okay. I didn't catch her. Oh my god. I caught your eyes.
Yeah.
What? Friend, sir friend.
Okay.
But not sure. Are you white? You're white. Can sing Celine Dion? No, I don't sing. I love music, but I'm not a singer. Sorry, Ezra. Marcus Antonio.
Yan yung ano ko, napapagpagtay mo doon.
Rain is really hard here. Yeah, raining here. Heavy raining. Can barely hear anything. Is your husband outside playing in the rain with your kids? No, oh my god. Did you see I have a ring? No. Fred, no dirty dancing again today. I'm having withdrawals. Lol. What? Oh my god. Girl is my wife. Oh! She has 10 boyfriends. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, fantasy wife. Oh my. Who are you? Wait then. Lol. Oh my. Lang ito 15 ba? I'm afraid to your wife, friend. Oh my god. Hope she's not watching here. Adrian Miller. I hope, Sir Fred, your wife not watching here. Oh my god. Oh my.
Limang ba yan?
So you're the one outside playing in the rain with your kids. You see, I'm playing in the rain. I'm inside the home. She's sitting right next to me. Ah, okay. So, hi, Fred's wife. Fred, better be careful. Sure will get the machetes. Oh my god. Tell me what to do inside, cause it's breaking. You look beautiful when you look at the camera. Well, thank you, Ezra. She's looking at you like. What should she do with you? Oh my gulay, Auden. Take my hand, touch my... I'm joking, Cheryl. I know you're joking, Sir Fred. I know you love your wife and you are a good husband. And a good friend, of course. Fred to me, God, help me please. Where is you from? Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Filipina. Filipina.
Isda, para atag sa mga kapon ba? Anak,
Ano yun? Is that?
ma'am siya.
Yara? Yun yung papapay?
Hindi.
Papa ko yun.
Nano pa? Yung papan mo na isda.
Malatuloy lang.
Ah.
Patuloy yan. Parin sa mga malalakas.
It touched me. Not today, Mike, because I can't hear anything. My good guess is out the world. Thank you, Thank you so much.
Kung papay mo, kapuha.
Kaya,
Suwa?
lang.
Ha?
Pwede pa kayo suwa.
Pwede na trail ng San Maslow.
Ah, din. So, to me, Mike almost ready to scam again.
Tao yan.
Oh my God, you scam Mike always for the beer? Oh my God, Sir Fred. Share your scam. Sure. I like beer too.
Anong paano ng papay mo?
Oo, kataba yun. Hey, he was stupid enough to be scammed. What?
Ka! Oh, limpiado na
Hi,
yan.
thank you, Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. Thank you for the gift. Thanks a lot. Tell me where the would start, cause it's breaking my heart. Thank you for this gift. Just on it will be cheaper to me by BKX. For friends. Oh, you're welcome. Okay. Thank you so much. Someday. She's my mom. Philippines has a great future. Great future. Somewhere the would start, cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her be. Now I always give A and half. We always give it. Naipon yung dito sa hospital. Tayo, yapay ka dito ng bata. Thank you so much for people in the house. So tell me where do it start, cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let me down. Maybe my love will come back someday. We'll be back if rains slow down. Yeah. Thank you guys. Take care guys. Thank you Sir Fred. God bless. Thank you for joining. Cheryl, I'm afraid sending all the birds to Fred will turn him into a drunk. Oh my God, lol. It's up to you, Mike.
Kan-helping ka nga na.
Siguro, maraming baga. You need to control. Friends coming you. He will fall drunk. Sir Fred, he will fall drunk.
Dad! Balik ka anak ng tatay mo. Tatay mo.
21 people, God bless you and your family to me. Thank you so much. Tell me whether what's up, cause it's breaking my heart. I don't wanna let her go. Thank you, 22 people. Nano Kuya Gab? What the heck?
Ano?
Gani ka na baka na si Mami sa lolo.
Ah,
Ay, hindi yun. Dapat sabay natin. Story where the world starts, cause it's freaking
Dali oh. Hindi ko na ano to. Ano ha? Kapagay?
okay, kang pa yun, diba?
Pipichay pa?
Yun pa, tayo pa yun.
Bakit umuubusan nata? Kulay green tayo. Kulay green na natin. Ano, tawag ko? Mga ano?
Hello Philippines from the USA. Hi. Thank you. Welcome from Philippines. Ha?
Ganun pa.
Ano?
Ganun. Bakit ko ganun?
Dito kung ba? Dito kung ba niya? Dito ko na. Ito din niya. Parang ang lemon.
Ano itong mga ginares?
Parang
Out na ito.
Dili ito ba na? Ang lemon lang.
nakahilip pag
Oh, may kamayan din na. Yan ba sa diyo? Ay, kayo sa'yo pa kayo. May masarap niya. Hanap ko.
Pero yun hali.
Manila.
Nangatag.
Thank you so much.
May ito wow, dagang tara.
Pinagtulo ko ito.
Ha?
Pinagtulo ko.
Or,
Ama ko sa tatay. Pero sa'yo lang ang lutong ko.
may yung pangangin si Papa. Binakal ko kahapon ano.
Gusto.
Malo tumalik ang tapo. Inaano ako.
Ano naman siya.
Ako pagulo na lang.
Yung pizza, yatag lang naman.
Mahal ng pichay.
Sabaw lang ang
Mahal ng pichay.
Natag yung sa ni Lady, kinagather.
ang sa ako ano lang na yung bahan.
Ay natag kung sa ako, bago yato na lang,
May ano kaya niya ng mga para bante, no? Mga karpanyada. Mahal na ano yan. Maritatas. Ang kamatis. Biskin. Ginto.
Dito na naman ulit ang marit.
Paano na nakalayo?
Dapat kahit siya namamalo. Tukantado man niya yun.
Patagod mo na ako po.
Nakadagon siya son. Kaya nagkaan pa siya. Kamadalik-madalik ang kaladilan.
San, san, nanananan, san, san, nan. Jari, jari, jaja. Jari, papam. Ang bawang. Okay.
Kamuga ko kape. Nagkansili.
Hi, GTV Vlog. Like the host. Thank you, GTV
Siyempre nagkilo ng
Vlog.
sili.
Thank you for joining. Salamat po.
Tawag ko yung mababa.
Bago na kayo po ginawa ka bago. Matagal ko, isimpan sili sa sili. Yun, ang ganda zero, 600 na. Anong baga na, tangad ang tangad na sili. 120 ang bampor. Kanwigo ang kilo. Ay, grabe yun.
Ganyan kung ka magmaritat.
Kung ako, mabante mo lang ako. Mag-vlog ka pa. Aray ko. Kay may family is your house. Aya. Salamat po.
Don't wanna live. Oh,
Nalakong pala kasi ilo.
Galarga na daw.
Nagpili ng sili, habo sa busna. Ay, grabe.
Tinawaran na ako, di ba nagkantay siya ka na. Sabi niya, nagkantay siya. Tinawa si Grois. Tapos ang baso ba ganyan sa niya. Sabi ko, Dada, kung Marte ka, may yung pasay mo pala, may malala sa say mo. Sabi niya, oh. Duwa-duwa. Duwa-duwa na kaya, ano, nalaan na niya.
Ay, grabe. Saka magkano bago dito, kaya nalang mo.
No.
Alam mo kung hindi sa ilo? Ano niya?
Tinawa si Bunso sa reaction niya kanan. Hindi kayo. Ay ko, mas matindi ka pa. May mas matindi pa sa mo.
No, hindi ka buntong lang. Yung mas malapit niya.
Sabi ko malupit, sabi niya. Sabi, tinawa si Bunso pag kayo sa akin. Inalalayo ko mabulog. Mapainom ka na. No? Pero gunong ko na sa taso. Ngirit siguro sa ngayon niya. Sabi ko, oo nga, pag una ko, ikaw lang yun. Mas malala ko to sa iyo.
Kayo na ang nakapag Manila. Kaya wag mo ang pabot na. Wala grabe na.
Ay, nag-udo siya. Kasi nag-ano. Pagod mag-abot ni Bimbol. Inani ka ako galuwa. Di pa ngayon niya. Yung tapos sabi niya. Bimbol, ikaw na lang yung tapos na. Tapos iba yung paniente na naka-plastic na.
Oo nga.
Grabe talaga na. O din may pagnaon ang tuwingan.
Tara nga.
Dito nga gulay.
Oo, kasama ko dito ma'am. Bumakan naman.
Nalamit.
Dahil mabakal na kita. This time mabakal na kita.
Parang ko ay mga gayo ay.
Yung makalaro. Birmete na yun. Hatag na.
Ay, ano, hindi makal. Grabe. Murang kakagalag kong pinta.
Iyan.
Ang gataw.
Mahalo na maritatas mo.
Nandaganan man ng tanong ba yung 20 nera? Momento 20. Ako na yung 20.
Thank you so much.
Ang lang gamay ko nag-gather ni. Maurano nila. Ang saya nga ni King. Di ang bantik nga ni Mira, ang papa ni Rita. Kami unahan niya sa CCA.
Ay, karag yun.
Ayun.
Ako nga,
Ibig sabihin, nadumduman ko sa nagbabarante kami, kaya rabay kami sa
Isa lang ka baga, sa unahan baga ni Rita.
sa Agong.
Dito mo na lang nilya.
Ah,
Sisipa baga dito, sa unahan nila dito mo lang nilya. Ito, dito. Tapos sa unahan pa dito. Patakit ko.
dito ang kapatid kaya di kapatid kasi Bapinoy. Yung Bapinoy daw. Bago man ikin. Pag-isgan ko yung dito. Manitana.
okay.
Tama na, Aragon.
Nag-Aragon.
Pagpadalang pag-agon.
Pag-Agon.
Agon ko na eh.
Aragon yun naman.
Nagdating ng gabi.
Lukad?
Hindi ko karawan. Ang ibig na naman yung iwan. Ako, malalakot ko siya. Kahit iba. So ako, hindi bago ka, habo yung tapon mo. At ito yung sidalan, pagmutungan, bagay nila yung pag-grapin mo niya.
Pag-Agon sa
Naglulukan.
Paglukan.
Ah.
Santo.
Hindi nag-Agon.
Lukad ang mga ulit sa kahit hindi sa nagpili.
Ang habo namin, kahit saan kung na-expand sa mga pagdadako, sa gabi.
Para daw sun, di ba ni, kami yun,
Para-
yun, ano?
Lukad yun.
Para lukad yun, yun.
Turong yung bibig
Yun
ka.
man yun.
Kahibok na yung sila sumatangikil. Nalikin, paano ko yung aminana ko nagpapakawit.
Ay, ibig sabihin, magmururot luming pagbabakan man sana, tapos siya bilukan man. Wala may problema.
Tapos, yung ko na maggarawat yung nalit, yung mga kadapatang. Yung balin na dara, bago ko rin, ako.
Sabi nga nagtitingin. May ito kaya tapos na ako eh. Bugay yung lotong pera.
Ninong.
Itong papa ni Baby. May wait ka. Tapos na, mga hali, at tinatindog pa yan. Pinalapan ng tutiking.
Pinalapan.
Oo.
Kasi man yung bagay kinuha doon ng ano.
Eh, nagsarit. Di kung pwede ko nung mga alak, bibili ko. Pagpindog pa yan. Ano, umako na sa tutiking.
Oh my God! Thank you, Uncle! Thank you so much for that.
Buunan kaya
Thank you for the gift. My God! Thank you, Yan Ward.
Ang papa ni Rita.
Thank you, Yankee. Yankee.
Kaya mo din ang bune.
Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Bakit yun naman, hindi ko magkakain mo ulit sa bako ang labahan. Kasi nagkakaon na ulit na dara.
Thank you po. Thank you so much. Tell me. The David is not say hi. Thank you, Yankee, sa pa-yellow. Thank you sa yellow. Pala, orange. Yellow, orange. Yellow, orange. Thank you sa...
Si Jollibee ka dito. Jollibee sa bulan mga.
Oh, may Jollibee ko sa bulan.
Yung suit.
Nag-Jollibee kami ni Jerome sa bulan. Bulis na pinit
At
na
wala ko shirt mo, natulog ako kami ng gabi.
Nakalerkin man ako.
Nakasek, anong balik ka na sa lotong ko?
Hi, hello. They're watching from Fiji. Hi, watching from Fiji. Hello. So, ako nga ni, ibang ko ako nakakabakal sa budget ko na Hindi nga ako nakakabakal. Sinilas ko, ay, yan, may utang ngayon ako kanila, 200 na yan. Nadala rin mo ako. O kung di rin pa ako pabakalan, di pa ako maka-sinilas.
Sabay mo na lang. Nakapandakan siya, pinag-dito mo na kapatay. Natin sa ito sa mali na yun.
Ay, wow, nag-shopping.
Bagay
She bought up with me.
Mabisay
Thank you, Yankee. Naman. Happy New Year. Tell me
Okay, tama yung balot.
good start, 'cause it's breaking my heart.
Okay.
Gonna never go. Leaving my love with you. Thank you so much. Jose, hi Jose.
Ay!
Sali mo.
Mahaling ka dunyaan ko.
Babang Kiswawa. Babang Kiswawa kami.
Nawala.
Wala ka na, jabi kita sa ano, travel. Say hi. Say hi. Kiss, flying kiss. Flying kiss. Ano. Sabi, thank you po. Thank you. Flying kiss mo ba? Flying kiss pa. One more.
Nakabili na sa kalandanan. Palulit-lula.
Ato kami. Nakipista ako dito.
Ako di ba naman makakasyo kay Science and Oras ko.
Ha?
Science and Oras ko. Yankee, where are you from? I'm Northeast Pennsylvania. Where are you from, Yankee? Thank you for joining. I'm in upstate New York. In upstate New York. How old are you, Yankee?
Diba, katong kumali sa kapatid.
Dini, sarap ka dun, no? Ang kabuka-bugahan na yun, ha?
Ay, awa.
Oo, nito ang nahalo ko kayo.
Old now.
Sayang.
It's okay.
Lagi ko
How old? How old is Me, I'm getting old now. 41 years old next month.
Eh, Ma'am Sandy nito na ano. Ma'am Sandy na natag sa kanya dito sa pinaka-kanya.
Dere, at alam na yun. Nahilaw.
Oo. Kurang ko rin sa ano. Unahan ko lang muna.
Thank you, 35 people. Thanks a lot. So tell me why do I was expecting in my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Living under the Heaven knows you still need a coffee maker, yeah. Yeah, I still need a coffee maker. Sure, Yankee. I love coffee maker.
Mamukulang sa pagkakamanay.
Ha?
I'm a coffee lover. Yankee get much snow up there. Snow up there, yeah. Yankee.
Busog na naman ko yung bolso.
Mapupunta sa bulso.
Una na po no, Mama B, mababa. Mamay, doon na. Awat na ka taon na ha. Dito din. Hindi rin kakaunan na ni Babay. Ay, kakado kami. Mahapot. Kao na ka mo? O sa Babay. Di pa. Kao kami. Pagkatuming kami nun. Kao na ka mo? Di pa. Luwag ulit. Busog na nag-ulit. Sabi na naman kayo ng mga
Sandal. The coffee maker.
Makakanihan ko na si Pagkay Mampoy.
Say,
Poy.
boy.
Ang ataw namin mabata ni Manay, si Malaydik, Maria.
Nag-istorya ngayon sa ako, kaya medyo nabat ako dito ka mga be. Sa Manila, and St. Louis, sila ka mga Roseng. Sinabi sa ino, mga be.
Hindi nga. Tabo ko na din. Umpay lang ka na ganaan sa ako.
Hindi, kay.
Sabi na ba pala niyo yun para
Then,
hindi na lang nakabakal ka na. Baba ko yun, wala ka lang yung hapot ng problema. Wala ko yung pagkabakot ng pinahin.
just my
Ako, nire-ira yung sa ako. Kaya sinabi ka, abay nire ko ba? Kaya ko yung karami mo. Bago ba eh?
I don't know how where.
I
can't type my own live. Try John B.
Wow, ako nila na halo-halo kan. Kasi hindi ko na pamarami.
Tell me why the what's sky was expecting my heart to
Ito nagkaroon na
one.
lalaki na nagkalilindig ka na ng ito.
Si Christian?
Ha?
Si Christian?
Isang pista?
Si ano ito? Si ano? Aki? Si Iki?
Isang pista na
Si Iki?
Iki.
Si Iki ito?
Ang sabi na, ang naunang pagpakalilindig ko na,
Oo, si Iki.
aming parahanap.
Oo, nagkaroon ko sa Pinon.
Kagayos na ito.
Yes, love, about the foot of snow while alive where I live. Wow, the snow! The snow!
Iwan na kilo kayo ng ubi.
Naginom ba yan ito ni Papay?
Ah,
Nakainom sa to si Papay.
bumili na ang bulan ko sa. Bago, nagbola ka man, nagbola na pa ako ng RGS. Bago mag-play.
Tagang sa Papay ko ta.
Nagangkatan mo lang tayo. Ay, kabuwang hindi na.
Kuya Reg's coffee maker is pretty efficient if you get reusable cups to use it in. Oh, that's really wow. Q-Reg coffee maker.
Kaya ako naman ang gabi,
Q-Reg.
bide.
Oo, gabi.
Tuwak gabi, bide. Bide. Ay, kumabot hapon ko pa, kumabot ng alas 12, alas 12. Kaya na siya ang boy. Ang inuman ang iwa.
Thank you so much. Q-Reg.
Yung galon na po, hindi niya ang nagpatulog daw.
Ano na? Hininga ka?
Tatay mo ka na.
I would super chat. Do you want
Hindi
a
ka
coffee
tatay mo
brewer?
ng isang tunog.
Okay, thank you. So I would suspect that you'd want a coffee brewer. Yeah, I love coffee brewer. Coffee brewer.
Salamat ka sa tayong bulaw. Salamat sa puno.
the
Gabi.
coffee brewer. No filters.
Ay, ako nga may
No filters.
mahawag sa tiyang ko ang iniwit ang ano.
So early.
To whatever come, waiting my life will come back someday.
Kaya man ang ano pa niya.
Huh?
Kaya,
16?
wow. Iniwit mo rin. Kasi lang tayo lang.
Ano? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 na yan. Can you buy a coffee pot there where you live? Coffee pot? Coffee pot. Coffee pot. In parts of Africa, they make bucket coffee in $5 buckets. Ah. I will look for the pot. Can you buy a coffee pot? I'm looking. I mean, do you have a store there to buy stuff like a coffee burger? Yeah, I have a store here. Yeah. Yeah, I have a store there. Yeah, maybe at the market. Store. How's your father? Father is only still healing.
Yes, na tayo na. Hindi tayo nila.
Si ano, Galido.
Ito.
Galido. Malls in Philippines are easy huge. You can buy nearly anything there. Yeah. Yes. Malls here in the Philippines. Crazy. Can you go to the store and buy the coffee wherever you want? I know, you know what, Yang? It's so easy to buy if you want, if you have the money. My God. Coffee forever.
Kaya din yung tatay mo pa. Ulihan ko na.
First toy mall with a nightclub and all of the room.
Ang sabi.
Yeah, then how much money does one cost? I don't know. I don't know how much. I don't know here. I'm not always at the mall. I'm not there. Expensive, ano there. Expensive. Yeah, I'll find out. Thank you so much. Sir, I don't want to hurt your feelings. It's hot. You don't want to hurt my feelings. Why? No need to hurt. My God. Hi, Flash. 2 times they be here.
Ha? Was it breaking?
Or get a post office that so we can send you stuff. Okay, I will post. I will post. Talking about your father. Yeah, talking about my father. That's okay, it's fine, Ezra. It's fine, Ezra. It's okay.
Hindi mo itong magputang-utang. Luya.
Hello.
Ito mo din.
Dalaya.
Ah, luya.
Ayun lang mag-ako.
Gabi nila ganun mo tinaluya ka ako.
Ay, nilala si Tino. Ito naman nagpuan mo.
Sa ingkudan.
Bali at head mo guys.
Okay.
Kahapon pa rin.
Wala yun, no?
Baby,
Wala.
Yadi ho.
I could buy a coffee brew and it would be there in 2 days in your pot. Few bucks. Okay, really? Wow. Few days? Thank you so much. Thank you, Young Bard.
Kasi mo tangka. May ayan ko may ayan. Buwan. Bawang.
Yes, Amazon is fast. Wow, the Amazon.
Yan lang yun.
Wow, the Amazon.
Sis.
Teren, 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 teren. Aray mo. Hirap talaga magmahal ng syota ng iba. Di mo makikita. Okay sa kanya. Mahirap. Oh!
Tell me where do you start, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love can break someday.
Kaya magbubulukol lang yung gabala.
Ang paano mo, dapat kasi panggaling.
Lutan ko yung mamay tarik. Sila, sila.
Alright. Maybe we'll love will come back someday. Fifteen people. Thank you so much. Wasabi, nasi wasabi, babae, tawag ko.
Dito lang pagpalit mo sa sobra.
Ha?
Hindi lang pagpalit mo sa sobra.
Okay, yung tomato na lang.
Ha?
Sarap yung tomato na lang.
Oo. Wala naman naman kang cake. Natanong mo pala, maayo na. Napangduwa pala na, ano, ay, hindi makain sabi?
Tagan mo tarano. Ikaw, magtanong ka ba para? Hindi ka na sila ayo-ayo.
Sabi yan, wala akong maputang ha? Aray mo!
Aray mo. I'm just happy to help. I hope it does. Oh, thank you, Yankee. I will post my, the Q box. You will see.
Ha? Ano dito? Sige na. Saan ba ya? Limot ako. Hindi ko nabutang.
Kung sakali naman,
Ay,
iba,
sutahan ko na yan, reasin ha.
Ano ba yan? Coffee brewer? Ano ba yun? May filter yan na. Ba yan ha? Coffee maker?
Aray.
Coffee maker?
Coffee maker ha.
Oh. Machine yun ha.
Oo, machine. Coffee machine?
Coffee maker.
No, coffee maker. Diba?
Makausap ang itulong siya.
Ano?
Kalupad.
Tuluto ko nga. Pag-type ko lang, bebe. Kaya dito.
About makaon ka. Sabi ko gagawin mo bilagan.
Nagano nga sila dahil sabi ko kasi ang bawas ko dito. Kasi ako ay tayo.
Oh, there.
Yun ang malala.
Oh, nagulog ako kanina.
May pa.
Oh.
Di ba gamit mo?
Ha? Pwede. Pwede ka na makaputo sa ligaw ko na pag una pa.
Ako pa na nga, edit mo yun siya. Hindi mo man masaya, bumataan kayo. Nakakaon yun. Hindi, hindi pa bataan kung mga sa langit. Ang bulbul, taon.
Quite a while.
Huwag talaga bulbul ang mangka. Sabaw.
Basta't mahal. Isara mo yung
Pagmahal sila. Pagmura.
Oo.
hindi mo mahal.
Pagdirik na. Do you go to church? Today is Monday. At 2:20 a.m. the rain sounds kind of soothing. Yeah, shall we? Yeah, raining here. Hard raining. Maybe you guys, you need to sleep.
Ano nga pa
So
rin
early,
tatawid
20 a.m. in the morning there, you need
Ha?
to rest, sleep,
Ha?
Paminta.
sunbathe. When I'm going to the town, I'm always going to the church. So, yes. I believe in God when I was younger, so yeah. Thank you. Stormy words and woodstone, cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will bring down sometime. Do you know Hibachi? Really, no? I don't know hibachi grilling. What is that? Hibachi. Hibachi grilling. Raining in Manila. Raining. My God. Hibachi grilling. What is hibachi grilling? What is that? Tell me where the sun is exploding. Wait lang. Anong payong ko? Ito na dito. Ganyan, tibimbol na ko to. Is a US hibachi restaurant. Customers sit around the grill and the chef puts on a show while cooking and lots of flashy moves. Flipping the spatulas and such. Oh, wow. I didn't experience that. Maybe some here in the Philippines, but I know. They experience there here, some Philippines, but me, I never experienced. Oh my God. Tamang iyaw-iyaw lang. Ay, Jollibee lang. Restaurant of Jollibee. I just had a thought that you might be awesome at doing that. Yeah, it's so awesome. Oh my God. You eat a chip like that. So like a trip. Oh, raining here, my God, raining. Never stop raining. I can't stop. There are lots of videos of it on YouTube. Oh, really? Hibachi. Okay, I will look. I will look. Somebody looks started because it's breaking my heart. Don't let me know. Maybe a whole fine. It's only helping us. Well, we all live in our own ways and happy but that's called the way of living. The way of living because you're happy what you want to live. You have a freedom to live what you want. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. We all live in our own ways and happy. Namaste. Oh, namaste. Namaste. Oh. And family. Bless you, Sharon family. Thank you. Thank you, Ezra. Maybe a heart to find. Thank you so much. Maybe turn this dancing to the music of the rain, yes. The music is the rain. The music is very insulting music. Very insulting sounds. Tell me where do you stand? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. I wanna let her go. Paano ang puso ka? Thank you so much. I like the shades with moon stars. I like the shades. This is breaking my heart. Thank you so much, and people in the house. Thanks a lot. Looks like you could be used. You could. Looks like you could use some cabinets in there. Yeah. I need cabinets because of yeah. And all I can do is yeah. Baking. Making them can be fun if you have good sauce for it. Yeah, good sauce for it. It can be fun. Mauricio Almeida. Hi, Mauricio. Thank you for the likes. Only heaven knows. Thanks. Tulog ka makita, kaya kasi
Okay, maraming ka sinapin ano.
Hi, Aderochi. Hi, Adi. Thank you for watching.
Boy,
Parang mo lang concern sa kapatid. Napakasagmat siya. Kasi kadagat siya. Mali ang dagat. Tawa yan.
gram.
Thank you so much. 13 people in the house. 8 people and 39 likes. Swimming. Do you like doing any craft stuff? No, I don't know. No, I don't know. But before, when I'm kids, we having a craft like abaka craft, but handicraft. But no, not now because different new generation now. We work handicraft like abaka. We make baskets. Like the basket is the bag. Ayaw, may likod pa niya, ano? 15 people.
Ayos na lang, ate. Dapat talaga masarap ka sabi.
I bet any hobby for you will have to be able to dance while doing. Yeah.
Sarap na. Sarap na kulang, sarap na may kulang.
Thank you for 2 likes. 15 people. Thank you for the likes. Oh my god. So tell me where do I start? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna never go. Hi, Miguel. My friend. Hello. Hola, saludos desde México. Desde México. Hola, saludos. Maybe the love will come back someday. Only heaven knows.
Kasi nagbukas mo yung bulok. Kapag sa plastic. Pagbakal mo sa dyan yung nagbakal ka ng bulong. Bakal sa ulit bulong ha. Bari duwa na ang binakal mo ng bulong. Bakal mo sa isa rota. Sige na.
Set over. Hi, boy. Hi. Set over. How are you? Kumusta? Why, suddenly. Bye everyone. I need to take a nap, so I'm going to rest. So thank you for joining. Hope you join. Hope see you next live. See you next live. Thank you so much. God bless us, guys. Love you all. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.